Hi everybody! Today we're going to do an activity called a same sound sort. And this activity is going to help us start noticing alliteration, or in other words, when words start with the same sound. So to do this activity, I've just gathered up some items from around my house, nothing special, and I've put them in a pile here. You could put them in a box or a basket, and together we're going to sort them. We're going to sort them based off of the very first sound that we hear in the item's name. So let me show you what my pile looks like. Okay, so here's my pile of items. You'll notice I have somewhere around 10 or 12 items here, just random things from around my house. And we're going to take a closer look to decide what sound we hear at the beginning of each word, and then we're going to try to find an item that starts with that same sound. So let's zoom in a bit. All right, the first item that I see is this book. What sound do you hear at the beginning of the word book? That's right, it's B. So let's see if we can find any other items that start with the letter B. Let's look. I know our B makes the B sound. Do you see any items here that start with the B sound? Hey, here they are. Batteries. Batteries also start with B. So I'll put them together with this book. Let's check our pile to see if there's any other items that start with B. I see a magazine, that's not it. And I see a tea bag. Wait a minute, what do we have here? This is a belt. What sound do you hear at the beginning of the word belt? B. That's right, belt starts with B. Let's put our belt with our book and our batteries. They all start the same. Belt, book, batteries. All right, let's see if we can find another group of items that start the same. All right, here I see one of my dog's toys, and this is a toy pig. What sound do you hear at the beginning of the word pig? Yeah, P makes the P sound. Pig starts with P. All right, let's see if we can find another item that starts with P. See a tie? That's not it. Wait a minute. What do we have here? That's right, it's a penny. Penny and pig start the same. They both start with P. Let's look and see if there's anything else that starts with P. I found it. Here we have a pen. Let's check. Let's make sure they all start the same. Pen, penny, pig. That's right. They all start with P. All right, our pile is shrinking. Let's see if we can find some more matches. All right, let's go to this magazine. Magazine. Okay, what sound do you hear at the beginning of the word magazine? The M makes the sound. Let's see if there's anything else here that starts with Does tie start with No. Let's see, what about tape? Definitely not. What do we have here? It's a mug. Do mug and magazine start the same? Yes. Mug and magazine both start with M. Let's check and see if there's anything else that matches. What do we have here? A marker. Let's check. Magazine, mug, marker. All three of these things start the same. Let's see what's left. All right, what's left in our pile? We've got tape, tea or tea bag, and tie. What letter do those items start with? T makes the t sound, so tea, tape, and tie all start with T. We found 1, 2, 3, 4 different groups of items. We sorted our items based on the first sound that we heard. We heard a B for book, batteries, and belt. We heard P for pen, penny, and pig. We heard that's M, for magazine, mug, and marker. And we heard T for tea, tape, and tie. We did it. So that was our same sound sort. Remember that a same sound sort can help us to practice noticing when words start the same. If you're a kid who's in pre-K3, a really good goal for you at the end of the year would be to be able to decide if 2 words start the same. So if you were able to help me decide whether or not 2 items started the same way, you can give yourselves a hip hip hooray cheer. Let's say it together. Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! All right, everybody, I hope you enjoyed our same sound sort, and I hope this is something that you can do around your house. If you do, feel free to send me a message, a picture, or a video. I'd love to see how it goes, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for joining me.